Good day, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. You know what? I forgot to say thank you very much. We just reached 7K subscribers, and you know what? This is great, and we're still pushing up. So, to say thank you, you can get 6 months of VIP signals for only $19. Scan the QR code, then talk to me. This it's limited. So, thank you very much, guys. Bye. Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Monday. For those who don't know, actually, today in the US, it's actually a holiday, which means the market will be closed. So when we go on our economic calendar, you can see that it's Monday. We don't really have anything on the economic calendar. So we'll be going straight to Tuesday, Wednesday. It's where I think maybe we're going to have some serious economic news. It's retail sales. And also on Thursdays, we have jobless claims or unemployment claim. So for you to understand this, when the market is closed, sometimes you can be in the market and you will realize that the market is not really moving that much. And for those who don't know, it's not really a good thing to trade when the market is not, let's say to trade when the market is closed. So only US market will be closed. I think US and Canadian, but you can see here London session is already opened. But let me go on US so that you can see what I'm talking about. You can see before I even continue, you can see it's 15 January, birthday of Martin Luther King Jr. So they say stock or New York Stock Exchange will be closed on Monday, which is today. So if we go a little bit lower, you will see that the market, we have like 30 hours left before the market opens, which is going to be tomorrow, obviously. So I hope maybe you will understand. This app is called, it's not really the app, it's just website. It's called tradinghours.com. I hope you can see that. So let's go straight to the market. But before we go there, guys, just know that you can join our live 12 months for $48 until this Sunday. So let me show you that. I hope you can see here that we have some very nice prices. But you can see that on 12 months or yearly, it's $280, but you can get that for 48 hours. Remember, this is limited. It's not like maybe we're going to take like 100 people or something. So reserve your spot if you want to be part of the team. But this will be ending this Sunday. So which means if you want to be part of the team, just let me know. Or you can just scan this QR code here or use my numbers. For those who want to be part of the mentorship, you can see we have that for $350. But if you want to be like, if you want a combination of lifetime signals and 12 months mentorship, you get the special and then you save $350, which means you're gonna pay only $450. So what's really happening on the market? I will just try to go as quick as possible because it's just quick updates. I don't think the market will be moving that aggressive today, especially any pair that is going to go with the dollar, right? Yes, I think maybe you can see here and there the market will be moving, but it's not going to, the market will just consolidate. So what's really happening on DXY dollar index? We are still on this downtrend. Let me change that color. You can see that the market is still actually respecting our resistance. The market has been struggling to break out of this resistance. So which means we are continuing pushing to the lowest side. So there is nothing much that we can do. Just go on my weekly analysis. You will get some full analysis there. So on a daily time frame on USDZ, you can see that the market is still pushing to the upside, but the market will be stuck around that area maybe until tomorrow because now the market is not going to open. But the bigger structure or the bigger picture is we are still on that uptrend. The market is still uptrending, and which is something that we are I like the fact that we can easily buy when the market is coming towards our support area. So we are still bullish as long as the market is still respecting our support structure. So let's go back on 4 hours time frame. The reason I go on on a daily time frame on other pairs is because the moves, they are big, so you can't fit all that on the screen, or maybe you're not going to see the bigger picture. You're gonna see only a smaller part. So now we are on USDJPY. What's really happening? The market is actually trying to push to the upside. Maybe the market will end up breaking this resistance, and if the market breaks this resistance, we'll actually push to the upside and say, okay, now it's our time to do what? To look for a buy. But beside that, you can easily see that the market, it was on a downtrend. Since the market is now pushing to the upside, we're just waiting here for the market to break out. If the market doesn't really break out, it means we will see a continuation of the sell, and that will mean that this continuation of a downtrend is going down again. But for now, we just have to stay out of the market and see what's really happening. GBP USD, what's really happening? We are on a very nice uptrend. The market is uptrending. We have a very nice support area there, and yeah, I think we will see the market playing around this level for quite some time. I'm just waiting for a proper breakout. Actually, this resistance, I think the market has to break that before we have another free movement. The market, you can see, is struggling. We've been around this level for quite some time now, or maybe the market will push even lower. But since the market gave us this support area here, once the market break out of this diagonal support, we're not going to panic. We will be waiting for the market to respect this before we push up. If the market breaks this support area, it's when we can say it's time for us to do what? To look for that sell. But for now, let's just relax. Let's just relax, guys. Let's just relax and just do our analysis, and then we'll take proper signals from tomorrow. So now what's really happening on Euro USD? Euro USD has been doing the same thing. It's been consolidating around this level, and we're just waiting for a breakout. But the bigger structure is a very nice uptrend. So once the market breaks out maybe on this resistance, it's where we are going to think about buying. But what I see here is the market is now playing games, but it's a good thing because it's not like we're missing something. No, the market maybe will break this level, and then we can continue buying as we are on this uptrend. If the market decides otherwise, it means we can break this support area, then we will look for a downtrend. But currently, as long as the market is still respecting this support area, it means we are still on a very strong bullish momentum. So what's really happening on gold? We had a trade, I think it's Friday, Thursday, on gold. You can see that we are still very bullish. Where we are now is where we had a trade on, I no longer remember if it's Friday or Thursday. So, but the market never actually reversed until it touches our stop loss. But if I still remember, I told my people the time the market was going up, because I saw the market trying to reverse, I told them, you know what, it's better for us to lock our profits, because the profit was also enough. So if maybe they're still holding, I think that will be also good. But it's like we're back where we were on Friday or Thursday. I will check that signal. Let me just open that. Also, I'll be just trying to show you how we send the signals, how I send the signals. Maybe for those who wants to be part of the team, sorry. Yeah, this is what we have. This is how I send the signal. You can see that. So you can see we had gold before it pushes to the upside. Let me check what it was, what 12 I think, maybe. Let me check the 12. Oh, it was Friday. So you can see that we were smashing gold also, but it reversed. So you can see how I send the signals here. We also had a sell on US oil. This is how I send the signal. I also send this type of a screenshot just to show you what I see. AUD, a buy, sell USD CAD, something like that. You see that? This is how we send the signals. So currently we have 170 members in one group. The second group, it's another group, it's 138. So we are plus or minus, maybe let's say maybe 300, maybe. Yeah, maybe 300. Yeah, so if you want to be part of the team, just join other guys, then we can start to eat. And you saw that we have a special $48 for 12 months coming from $280. That's a really aggressive special. So what we have here is the market is now pushing a little bit higher, and which is something that we actually thought about. But on top there, we have a very nice resistance. Let's hope that the market will reach there. But the bigger picture here is the market is on this uptrend, but for today, I don't really want to entertain the market. I will just relax. And I don't know, even tomorrow I won't be available. I forgot to update you about that. Tomorrow I won't be available, but the other day I will be back. So yeah, just tell your friends that tomorrow we might not really get our daily analysis because I want to go somewhere. I'm going to fetch something. What's really happening on US30? Still on that uptrend, the market is still uptrending. We are exactly on the support area. So the question is, will the market break out of this support area? Will the market break out of this support area? We don't really know. If it breaks, we're not going to just jump on a sell. We're going to consider this structure. And if the market gets out of that, then we can say maybe there is a sell. But if the market respects that, it means we will be pushing up and it will make sense. So on top there, we also have a nice resistance. If the market pushes up, we will be waiting for the market to break that. Then we can continue buying because the market is on an uptrend. So we have to follow the trends, guys. We have to follow the trends, right? So let's push to the next one. Which is Nasdaq. You can easily see that the market is still pushing to the upside. So we are very close. We can say we reached that level of resistance. The bigger structure shows us that we are on that uptrend. Let me show you. You can see these touches. I like this because you can easily see that the market is moving around the same level, and I'm expecting the market maybe to come around that level before we see a push to the upside. We can see that the market is struggling to break this, but since we are on an uptrend, there is a chance that the market can break that and keep pushing to the upside. I hope this year the market will be aggressively pushing to the upside. I think the market will be going up for quite some time. So another thing, let's check another thing. S&P 500 also on resistance. I don't expect to see a breakout today. And you know what? It's funny because I've been checking some TikToks and stuff like that. I see people trying, I don't know why people do that. They don't even know that there's a holiday and the market is not really opening for US. And the moves, they're not going to move that aggressive. And just imagine when you just take trades like that, they're going to hold you for like until tomorrow. And once around midnight, the market might spike because there are orders which they've been on, maybe since Friday, and they're going to be opening like tomorrow. Then when the market spikes, whether up or down, they will be saying that he's the broker, but actually you don't really understand what's really happening in the market. For those who, let me tell you this, there are brokers, like let's say bigger brokers, which don't really open. If maybe they say the market is not open today, obviously they're not going to open. Let's say for their stocks like Nasdaq, whatever, like Nasdaq, US30, S&P 500, they're not going to open. So which means they're going to just be freezed. They're not going to even move. And again, since the market is not going to open around 4:30, there's other brokers, even if maybe there's no holiday, the market won't move until 4:30 or 3:30 when the market opens. So with that, there are orders that are still on pending. I don't know if maybe you bought shares before. You know that if the market is not open on that, whatever that you buy in, your orders will allow you to buy, but they will be pending, and your order will be processed when the market opens. So just imagine if maybe there are billions on the way coming from Friday, or maybe from today or today, then and you have your orders ready, the market is just consolidating. So once the market opens, those orders, they're going to be on the system. And if it's enough, whether they're withdrawing or adding them, it means the market will have a smaller spike or a bigger one. Mostly you will see this. And some, they call that gap. You know gap, where the market spikes. It's because there were orders that were just waiting to be triggered or to be received on the system. And that will punch you, unless if maybe you are on the right side of the market, where the market is going to go. It doesn't really matter whether it's an uptrend or downtrend, because that can just spike very quick, then the market start to come back again, but your account will be gone. And that is not really the broker. That is not the issue of the broker. I hope you understand that. So do some research with this. So don't just jump on the market, buy, and while not understanding what's really happening. You can make money here and there, but it's sad when your money just goes just like that, when you don't really understand what happened. I hope you understand it. So anyways, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So yes, you can be part of the team. Yeah, you can scan this QR code here or WhatsApp me if you want mentorship, for those who want to have knowledge. If you want knowledge, 12 months until you make some profits, then we can say it's enough. It's only $350. But if you also want to join our lifetime signals at the same time learning, it means you're gonna only pay $450, not $350 plus $450. So you're saving $350 actually. So, but for the other ones, it's just like that. You can see that. But we have a special here on yearly. You can pay for $48 for 12 months, which will end this Sunday, but not exactly Sunday, because I have a limited number that I'm gonna take. So I hope you understand that, and I hope you're gonna appreciate that. So anyways, thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. I don't think I will see you tomorrow, but I will see you on Wednesday, because tomorrow I'll be somewhere else. Bye. Good day, guys. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. You know what? I forgot to say thank you very much. We just reached 7K subscribers, and you know what? This is great, and we're still pushing up. So to say thank you, you can get 6 months of VIP signals for only $19. Scan the QR code, then talk to me. It's limited. So thank you very much, guys. Bye.